How to add another account in Google Authenticator. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Authenticator application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further you will see several accounts. Simply tap on the account you want to log into, and with this the account will be added. And if you want to add a whole new account, tap on the add a new account option you see there and further enter the login credentials for your new account, and with this you will be signed in and your new account will be added to Google Authenticator. So this is how you can add another account in Google Authenticator. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.